Hello YouTube, this is Dhruva Mundodi and you are watching my channel all about RE Bullet. So guys, today I have got a 2013 RE Thunderbird 350. So the bike belongs to my brother. You guys might have seen my first Thunderbird build. It was a 2006 AVL Thunderbird. So after seeing the work, my brother was pretty impressed with it and he decided to hand over his bike to me to get the modification job done. The bike has run almost around 1,30,000 kilometers and it's in pretty beat up condition. Even though it looks fine from far, when I zoom in, there's rust all over the parts, all over the chrome parts, and even the paint has lot of scratches and there's lot of problem everywhere. Even the suspensions are not working properly. It has become stiff and the swing arm bush is spoiled, as you can see the swing arm is shaking like anything. And he has got aftermarket exhaust installed in his bike, but after the modification job is complete, I'll be putting the legal silencer, the stock silencer. I always prefer legal modifications. The aftermarket exhaust is not environment friendly, so it's not advisable to have aftermarket exhausts. Okay, and then the carburetor is malfunctioning. It's not working properly. The bike is giving hiccups and the bike is not getting proper fuel mileage and it's missing. So I'm planning to change the carburetor as well, and the rear shocks will be changed. He has actually modified the bike in some part of time. See, as you can see, the stock Thunderbird won't be having the chrome fenders, but he has done it. Maybe I'm thinking of retaining the same chrome fenders. I'll be changing the color of the tank and the toolbox, and I'm planning to get this buffed, and I'm planning to get it nickel plated or chrome plated. The engine will be built from scratch. I'll change the bore kit. I'm not going to rebore it. I'll be changing the bore kit. And then he has actually changed the handlebars. It's pretty comfortable, but look wise some people may like it, but I personally didn't like it, but he says it's very comfortable on long rides, so I'm planning to retain the same. And as you can see, there is no pillion grab rail, and it's very dangerous. I was very scared to sit behind in the pillion seat. Okay, so I'm planning to install a small pillion grab rail, and then I'm planning to cut some rods from the sari guard. I won't be cutting all the rods. I want to make it easier to clean. The inner part should be accessible by hand, while washing. Now it's very difficult to put your hands inside. And the shock absorbers has to be changed. The rear and the front disc brakes are not working properly, and I think the front disc plates have bent. I'll have to get it checked, and in case if there is any bend, I'll be replacing the same. And then the projector lights, they're not working. Pretty much each and every part which should be working properly is not working. So guys, I just want you to hear the sound or the exhaust note of this bike before I change the exhaust from the aftermarket one into the legal one. So the key is on. The self start is also not working. I'm kickstarting it now. Sound is pretty wild, but it's not legal. So guys, please stay tuned to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading a video as soon as the modification job is complete. I may take somewhere around 30 to 45 days. So let's see what happens. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.